name's Morag and welcome to this introductory video to the Food Safety Hub. So the Hub is a web-based platform that manages all things food safety. So all monitoring, forms, records, integration with other platforms and hardware, it can all happen through the Food Safety Hub. And the purpose of this video is to just orientate you around the basic flow of the platform, so you can see how it works in operation and how it will save you a lot of time in the future for your food safety management. So this is the homepage of the Food Safety Hub. And as you can see here, where we've got these different sections, what these represent are different outlets. So this could be different kitchens or restaurants in the same establishment, or they could be different restaurants in different physical locations as well across a certain geographic, across a country or a region, or whatever that might be. So this is just an example of how that works. So if we have a look at the central production kitchen, for example, if we select on that, you'll see that that'll open up the kitchen and service areas, and if we go into that, this leads to the actual online forms and workflows where the data is gathered around the verification of food safety controls. So it's basically the digital forms that form part of your food safety program. If you have a look at the different areas in here, you'll see that the structure is quite similar. You can select in there to see those particular areas. Now this can be extended out into stores, stewarding. In this particular example, we've got kitchen and service area, but all of this is custom, and we develop this in collaboration with your food safety team to make sure that it's exactly what happens in operation. So if we have a look there, you can see that number 1, that badge there, that indicates that there's a scheduled submission that's due. So that's just a little alert to say that something in the kitchen needs to be done. In this particular case, the chilling of the foods hasn't been done, so there's obviously a cook-chill process there that needs to occur, and that's a little reminder that there is some scheduled submissions that need to be done. Over the other side, we've got some other areas there that aren't used as much, but still very important. In this particular case, some storage guidelines around allergens and recipes are also integrated in there. Maintenance, so maintenance requests can go in, and there's a digital ledger there, a log of active requests. Also things like calibration, pest sighting, pest controllers, those types of functions can also be input in there. Suppliers, very important, approved suppliers that then relate to the incoming goods in the kitchen. So this is just a rundown of the basic interface of the system and how it works. If we also have a look over here on the right hand side, we can also integrate content. So these are things like your standard operating procedures. If we have a look in the kitchen there, we've got the standard procedures orientated around the kitchen, also around the service area, and the general ones as well. So that's another feature of the system, to be able to integrate the procedures and whatnot that you've got around your food safety plan, the video. We call it Show Me How, a very simple way of communicating what needs to happen in the food safety plan. The other key part to the system is the reporting. So if we select on that reporting icon there, you can see this will bring up a reporting table of all the submissions that have occurred. We'll go over this in more detail, but this gives us a real-time view of the submissions that have occurred for each outlet. And this is a really valuable tool to manage food safety across multiple sites, and we'll go over that in a little bit more detail in the next video. So that's the basic rundown of the interface. We'll now get into some more specific food safety controls in the videos that follow.